PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Want to play short? It's simple. Let me teach you a method. Let me show you how to tighten it around the neck. Is it short? Big brother, big sister, I'm going crazy? You want to play short? Is playing short really that simple? Let me teach you a method. Let me show you how to tighten it around the neck. Is it short? When it gets here, tighten it. Is it short? You want to play short. Push it forward. Send out all your power. The simplest tip. The contact point is slightly higher for a short ball than a long ball. And then relax. Tighten it and it's short. Where's the neck? The neck is here. Find the neck and tighten it. Keep your neck tight to make it short. As your left foot touches the ball, press down slightly to generate a heavy topspin. If you hesitate, it's not easy to hit high. It's not easy to hit low. Alright, how can I make this ball low? When the bone comes down here, the topspin is too low, right? Press down a bit to control the topspin, pressuring on one side while blocking your left side. Yes. It's not difficult actually. Pay attention to the rhythm. Don't rush, brother. Relax. Pressure your opponent by hitting high. Press a bit forward with your left foot. Right, you need to find the trick. It's the left shoulder, right? Just putting pressure won't work. It's too high, right? It's just putting pressure, okay? Do you still think it's high? Still too high. Maybe don't serve. Use force to guide the racket. Relax, move skillfully and with power. Hitting the net indicates a low topspin. No problem. Once you master it, you're good to go. Hitting the net is a good thing. Hitting the net often means the topspin is too low. How else would you hit the net then? Right, he's not hitting it into the net. Throw the ball normal. Don't hesitate to throw the ball. Did you press down, and do you feel it's more composed? Right, no need to panic. Control the pace by yourself. I can also follow up a side top with a side back. Did you serve like this earlier on? Did you add a fake motion? What about my side top? Even after chopping here, I can still go upwards. Is the side back action completely the same? Just the contact point on the ball is different. This is side underspin. Watch the spin here. This one. The upper and then the following fake motions are the same. This is side underspin. Side down, right? Of course, I can also serve this way with a side top. This is a fake motion, right? So I link them up. The upper received. What about my side back? After chopping, can I still serve like this? Or is it underspin? And I can serve like this with a side top too. After serving, do you flatten the blade downwards? This is a type of fake motion. After serving, do you raise the blade upwards? It's the same type of fake motion. So serving reverse with side top and side back. Wouldn't others be confused? So where's the key core in this? Practice the fundamentals first. Isn't that the principle? I served underspin, hey. I need to find that feeling first. If the basics aren't mastered, adding fake motions won't help. If you do 100 movements but can't spin, right? There are people like this too. But in the end, the serves don't have spin. This is underspin slightly to the outer side. He found it here. How could he be side spin down? Is this side spin down? Really? Difficult. Isn't this side spin down difficult? This one is side spin up. Why can't I find it? Finding the outer side center is side spin up, right? I found the outer side underspin. What about this? That's clearly side spin down. The outer side underspin is at side spin down. Outer side center. Side spin up, outer side underspin. Side spin down. Is the difference between side spin up and down obvious? Let's look at another one. Side spin up. Side spin down. Can you see clearly? Look. Center. Side spin down. The difference. I can follow up a side top with a side under motion. So you're serving like this, right? Did you add a faint motion? Then what about my side top? Even after chopping here, I can continue with an upward motion. Is it exactly the same as the side under motion? Just the contact point on the ball is different. This is a side under spin. Let's look at another one. What about this? Is it the same for the serve and the fake motions behind it? This is a side under spin. Side under, right? Of course, I can serve side top like this too. Oh, this is a faint motion, right? So if I chain them together. If I serve side top, what about side under? Can I also serve like this after chopping? Or is it underspin? So I can serve side top like this too. After serving, do I lower the racket flat? This is a kind of deceptive motion. After serving, lift the racket upward. It's the same deceptive motion. So serving side top and side under in reverse order, will it confuse others? Master the real basics first. Does that make sense? I'm serving underspin, but I need to find the right feeling first. If you practice 100 motions but can't generate spin, different combinations, but the final serves won't have spin. When he looped the ball with side spin, weren't you aiming for the outer edge of the ball? Are you looking for the bottom of the ball? Is finding the bottom with side spin correct? Now, I'll add a fake motion. Still looking at the side spin. Do you understand? Finding the bottom with the cut is crucial. After the cut, this is fake. Is it side spin or top spin on the sides? Aim for the middle of the outer edge, even if I go top down. As long as I find this middle part, it's definitely top spin. Look. Is it top spin? Do you think I'm going up? No, it's still a cut down. But my cut position is different. I cut to the outer edge slightly towards the middle. Is it top spin? And then, what other fake motion can I add? Look. I link it together. This is Topspin.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.